dogs, and God won't ever let you down. They listen when you're talking, just happy you're around. I don't know why they love us, but they do no matter what. Two things you can count on: good old dogs and God.
In all fairness, I really didn't want Yogi Das when I first met him, but very quickly he convinced me I was wrong. And now we're inseparable.
Talking about a best friend. Amen.
I didn't even know how to raise a rabbit, so I raised him like a dog, kind of like a puppy.
Never let you down.
Been the best road dog ever.
Listen when you're talking, just happy you're around. I don't know why they love us, but they do